Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. Welcome to this travel journey with me. Come and take a relaxing walk along Praia do ROS beach in Brazil with me. I'm Jessica and it will be a pleasure to show you the sceneries and the tranquility of the place. From the beach walk up to the rocks, all the way to breathtaking viewpoints, don't forget to click like, subscribe and write a comment below. Exploring the coastline with its warm, crystal clear waters, we can see amazing views with deep blues and emeralds. As we keep walking up, we will reveal points with characteristic rock formations that are true spectacles of the nature. The landscape around the rocks is quite unique. A mixture of colors and shapes, with spots of red and orange tones showing different areas of the beach. Combined with the tranquility of sound of the sea, makes the experience incredible. After the rock scenery, we explore more of the beach by the ocean, getting back on the relaxing sand. Azure tones changing with the movement of the water and reflecting rays of light from the sun. That's why Praia do ROS is a hidden gem beach. As the sun starts to set and the temperature takes a drop, the colors slowly start to disappear, the water slowly stops moving. And we can start to say goodbye to the wonderful day we had. I really hope you enjoyed it with me. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and write a comment below. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!